Have you ever wondered how to quickly move money in and out of your stash account? When you're managing your finances, the flexibility to fund your investments and access your cash when you need it is a game changer. Stash makes it super easy to deposit and withdraw money, whether you're adding to your portfolio or tapping into your savings. Let's break down the process step by step. First, let's look at depositing money into stash. You have a few convenient options. The simplest way is through a bank transfer. Once you've linked an external bank account, you can initiate a transfer right from the Stash app or website. Just choose your bank as the source, select your Stash account as the destination, enter the amount, and confirm. This is great for one-time or recurring deposits. Next, you can set up direct deposit. This allows you to automatically send all or a portion of your paycheck directly to your Stash banking account. A huge benefit here is that Stash users often get paid up to 2 days early. To set this up, you'll just need your Stash account and routing numbers and then provide them to your employer. Finally, for your Stash banking account, you can use mobile check deposit by snapping a photo of your check in the app, or even make a cash deposit at participating retailers like CVS, Walgreens, or Walmart. Now, let's cover withdrawing money from Stash. This process is just as straightforward, but there are a couple of key points based on where the money is coming from. If you are withdrawing cash from your Stash banking account, the quickest way is to use an ATM with your Stockback card. Stash offers a large network of fee-free ATMs, so check the app for locations near you. You can also transfer the cash back to your linked external bank account or use the instant debit withdrawal feature to a linked debit card for a small fee, which gets you your cash in minutes. If you are withdrawing money that's currently invested in your portfolio, you'll need one extra step: selling the investments first. In the app, navigate to your portfolio, select the investment, choose to sell, and wait for the sale to complete. Once the cash from the sale is settled, which typically takes about 2 business days, it will be available to transfer out of Stash to your external bank. This final transfer can take up to 5 business days to appear in your external bank account. Keep in mind that if you withdraw money that was only recently deposited, Stash may hold the funds for up to 5 business days for security reasons. So, whether you're fueling your investments or accessing your emergency fund, Stash provides multiple fast and flexible ways to move your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.